we have this corker, the machine. So we fit the corking here, and they travel to this pipe all the way to the corker machine over there. If you can see right here, you can kind of see the cork passing by right there. Okay?
Yeah, this is a cork inside there.
Cork inside the pipe, it goes all the way over. And here we have the
label?
Our PS labeler. This is the front label. This is the front label station. And on this side is the back label. So front label gets applied on this section here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and back label gets applied on this section here. Yeah. It goes through this pressure pad here, and it comes out just like that. Just like that. Right now, to give the client a better presentation on their product, and also to avoid wrinkles on the label or bubbles on the label, this machine has a feature of reading the seam of the bottle.
Oh, like the line?
Yeah, the line, yeah. In between, and it reads that, and it puts the label in between the seam. So, yeah, this is pretty cool that this machine can do that.